Hey guys, how are you? I hope you're staying happy, healthy, and safe. So today we are going to talk about two different spelling patterns, the OI and OY digraphs, which make the OI sound, as well as the AU and AW digraphs, which make the ah sound. Okay, we're going to watch two different videos, and then we are going to complete this worksheet together. It is page 15 in your week 3 packet. All right, so let's get started with the OI and OY sound, and that sound both makes the OI sound. And I've noticed something with this spelling pattern, but I want you to look at these words first, and then we'll talk about the spelling rule, as you would say. All right, so let's get started.
The sound of oi. We enjoy singing oi, oi, oi. Come on and sing. We enjoy singing oi, oi, oi. Come on and sing. Enjoy, enjoy. Oi, oi, oi. Oi, oi, oi.
And I'm sorry, also, please sound these out with me. So he's going to break it down into 3 different parts. Say it with us, okay? We'll do it together. Let's start that over. Here we go.
Oi,
Ooh.
soil, soil. Oi, coin, coin. J, oi, join, join. B, oi, boil, boil. We enjoy singing oi, oi, oi. Come on and sing. We enjoy singing oi, oi, oi. Come on and sing. Enjoy, enjoy. Oi, oi, oi. Oi, oi,
Say
oi.
them with me.
B, oi, 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 toy, toy, oi, soy, soy, j, oi, joy, joy. We enjoy singing oi, oi, oi. Come on and sing. We enjoy singing oi, oi, oi. Come on and sing. We enjoy singing oi, oi, oi. Come on and sing. We enjoy singing oi, oi, oi. Come on and sing. Enjoy, enjoy. Oi, oi, oi. Oi, oi, oi.
All right, say them all together.
Soil, coin, join, boil, boy, toy, soy, joy.
All right, now I notice something right off the bat when I see the OI and the OY spelling patterns. Do you? How can you decide whether to use OI or OY for the spelling pattern? Take a look at the words. Take a look at the colors. Here's what I've noticed. When there is when the word ends in a sound other than the oi, you use the oi. So what sound does the word coin end with? Coin, coin. It ends with an N, right? It makes the N sound. So, because the OI is in the middle of the word, you use the OI spelling pattern. Same with boil. What is the last sound that you hear in boil? L, 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 in L, right? It's not the oi sound It's the l sound. So the oi is in the middle of the word. Therefore, you use the oi spelling pattern. Take a look at the bottom row. What is the last sound you hear in boy? The oi sound, right? What about toy? The oi sound. So because the oi sound is at the end of the word here, you use the oy. Because it's at the in the middle of the word up top, you use oi. Does that make sense? Let me know if that makes sense or not. But because the oi sound is in the middle of soil, you use oi. You use oy when it's at the end of the word. Joy, oi, joy, right? Okay, so now we're going to take a look at AU and AW, which both make the ah sound. So let's watch this quick YouTube video and go from there. Talk about the spelling pattern.
Happy Monday, team and family. Today we are talking about the two spelling patterns that make the ah sound. The first spelling pattern we know that makes the ah sound is AU, like in the word sauce. The second spelling pattern we know that makes the ah sound is AW, just like in the word paw. Both AU and AW are two ways to make the ah sound in a word. Sometimes it's tricky to find, so let's try it together. Here are some words that have the ah sound. Pause the video here and see if you can read them to yourself first.
So we're going to read them together, and then I want you to try and do it on your own as well. So let's take a look, and we will read these together and try and find the ah sound. Jaw, claw, yawn, straw, draw, crawl, hawk, lawn, saw, awful, fawn, thaw, haul, launch, cause, author, August, pause.
All right, are we ready? Let's read them together. Here we go. Let's read these words the fast way. Get ready, go. Jaw. Yes, jaw, get ready. Claw. Yes, claw, get ready. Yawn.
Yawn,
Yes, yawn, get ready.
straw,
Straw. Yes, straw, get ready.
draw,
Draw. Yes, draw, get ready.
crawl,
Crawl. Next column, get ready. Hawk. Yes, hawk, get ready. Lawn.
lawn,
Yes, lawn, get ready.
saw,
Saw. Yes, saw, get ready. Awful.
awful,
One more time, get ready. Awful.
awful,
Next word, get ready. Fawn.
fawn,
Yes, fawn, get ready.
thaw,
Thaw. Good job. Let's go to column 3. Here we go. Now we have AU. Get ready, go. Haul.
haul,
Yes, haul, get ready. Launch.
launch,
Yes, launch, get ready. Cause.
cause,
Yes, cause, get ready. Author.
author,
One more time, get ready. Author.
author,
Next word, get ready. August.
August,
Last one, get ready. Pause.
pause.
If you made any mistakes, make sure that you go back and you reread the words again so you get them all right. Have a great day.
Okay, so we found two different spelling patterns, AW and AW. AW and AU all make the ah sound, right? So let's go and take a look at your worksheet. And we're going to look at each picture and decide what word matches the picture. So take a look at the first one. What is that? That is a penny. What is another word for a penny? A coin. Coin. So we already know it makes the oi sound. Is it going to be OY or OI? Coin. N. So because the oi sound is in the middle of the word, you're going to use the OI sound. Find the word coin. Coin is right here. So I would go ahead, type COIN, cross it off, move on to number 2. Number 2, what is that a picture of? I think it's like supposed to be a cat or some kind of animal. A cat. Paw. Aw. Is that A-U or A-W? Paw. Find paw up here. P. Aw. Paw right here. Boop. Paw. P-A-W. Cross it off. Move on to number 3. My goodness, what is that? Is that a rocket? Oh, what does a rocket do? It launches into space, right? Launch. Is that A-U, A-W, O-I, or O-Y? Launch. Launch. Ooh, A-U, right? Launch, which is right up here. Go ahead, write it. L-A-U-N-C-H. What's this a picture of? I think it's supposed to be a boy because the word ends in oi. Are we going to use O-I or O-Y? O-Y because the word ends in oi. Oi. B, oi. So find boy up here. Boy. Go ahead, write it in number 4 and cross it off. B-O-Y. Take a look at number 5. Oh, what's he doing? Oh, he's yawning. So find A-U or A-W? Y-A-N. Yawn. Right here. Y-A-W-N. Go ahead, put that for number 5. And then finally, number 6. That is a very, what? Pointy pencil. Point. Oi, oi, oi. Is it at the end of the word? Is the oi at the end of the word or the middle? It's in the middle, so would you use O-Y or O-I? Oi, oi, nt. Point. It's in the middle. So you would find it and use O-I. P, oi, nt. Point. P-O-I-N-T. Point. Okay? If you have any questions, please let me know. And if you want to watch those YouTube videos again, because they're super cute, go for it. Okay? Have fun. Let me know if you have any questions, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.